This week on Monday Matter, PROSKIT again. We've got two products this week from PROSKIT. As you can see, this one is aimed more at the professional market, and this one for everyday use. Very cool. So let's look at this one. This is a 5071 driver kit. That means that there's 57 tools all in one, and you can see it's super compact and super useful. I really think it's amazing how this closes so easily, and you will too. When you open it like that, and it's nice and stiff, so it's not going to fall out. You have all your bits right there, and what's so great is that they swivel. Then you have your extenders, which is really great, and then this is a ratchet mechanism. So you can easily and very quickly tighten or untighten what you need. What's so great about this is that you don't have to buy and make it, you just buy it straight from us, all in one. And the case is hard wearing, really tough, it even stands, just like that. What more can you want? Then we have this really cool tone and probe kit. Again, more professional, but basically you can check virtually any cable. And with a tone generator, will make a tone depending on the cable, and this will allow you to probe. Really user-friendly, easy to use, comes in this really handy bag. Come in store and check it out, and a helpful team will show you exactly how it works and take you through the whole system. A really necessary tool for an installer. On the box as well, it gives you everything you would ever need. See you next week.